Welcome to Naipunya Vikasam English and Life Skills. This is M. Anantalakshmi from GTW GH School, Bodigudam, Polavaram Mandal, West Godavari. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. This is M. Anantalakshmi, Naipunya Vikasam English and Life Skills trainer from GTW GH School, Bodigudam, Polavaram Mandal. Today, I will teach a 10th class topic. Thank you. Good morning, all. Today, I am going to teach you concise writing. Let us know what is concise writing. Writing concisely. This lesson helps you identify wordiness in your sentences, paragraphs, and essays and offer strategies for writing concisely. Here are some strategies to help you identify wordiness and decide whether and how to revise it. Eliminate redundant pairs. When the first word in a pair has roughly the same meaning as the second, choose one. Common examples of redundant pairs include full and complete, each and every, hopes and dreams, whole and entire, first and foremost, true and accurate, always and forever. Example, for each and every book you purchase, you will receive a free bookmark. Delete unnecessary qualifiers. Often we use qualifiers that really are not necessary to express our meaning, such as really in this sentence. By deleting unnecessary qualifiers, you can often eliminate one or two words per sentence. Tweaks like this may not seem like much, but they can add up. Common qualifiers include actually, really, basically, probably, very, definitely, somewhat, kind of, extremely, practically. Example, because a great many of the words in this sentence are basically unnecessary, it would really be a very good idea to edit somewhat for conciseness. Revision, because many of the words in this sentence are unnecessary, we should edit it. Identify and reduce prepositional phrases. Our use of prepositional phrases, which began with words like in, for, at, on, through, and over, can make a sentence clunky and unclear. To locate this problem, circle the prepositionals in your draft and see whether you can eliminate any prepositional phrase without losing your meaning. Sometimes the easiest way to revise a wordy sentence is to ask yourself, what do I really mean here? And then write a new sentence. This approach can be more efficient than just tinkering with your existing sentence. Example, the reason for the failure of the basketball team of the University of North Carolina in the Final Four game against the team from Kansas was that on the day at the time, some players were frequently unable to rebound the ball. Revision, UNSS basketball team lost the Final Four game against Kansas because it could not consistently rebound the ball. Locate and delete unnecessary modifiers. Sometimes the meaning of a word or phrase implies its modifier, making the modifier unnecessary. Example, don't try to anticipate in advance those events that will completely revolutionize society. In this example, anticipate already implies that something is in advance, and revolutionize already implies that something will be completely changed. Revision, don't try to anticipate revolutionary events. Replace a phrase with a word. Many commonly used phrases can be replaced with single words. These phrases often crop up in writing that requires a formal tone, but they detract from rather than add to meaning. The reason for due to the fact that, in light of the fact that, given the fact that, and considering the fact that can be replaced with because, since, or why. In the event that and under circumstances in which can be replaced with if it is necessary that and can't be avoided can be replaced with must or should. Example, in the event that going out for the purpose of eating with them can't be avoided, it is necessary that we first to go the ATM. In light of the fact that I am out of cash. Revision: if we must go out to eat with them, we should first go to ATM because I am out of cash.